Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to download AVG antivirus subscription for free. So first, if you already have AVG antivirus installed, kindly uninstall, or if you don't have it, ignore this part. Go to control panel and double tap on AVG icon, press uninstall. And it will take some time. After that, restart your computer. After restarting, go to your browser and search AVG antivirus free trial 30 days. Select on the first link or go to my description and click on the first link. After that, you will see like this. Press on free download under give it a try. It will start downloading itself. After that, go to your folder where that file is saved and double click on it. Then it will take some time to download. After some time, it will show like this. Press on install. It will install in background. After more time, it will be fully installed. Press continue and then close the window. Then one more window will be popped out like this. If this will not pop out, run it from start menu. After that, press on menu, then settings, then troubleshooting, and then on tech self-defense. It will show something like continue, press yes, then close the window. Now go to my video description and click on the second link. It will redirect you to my Google Drive page. Download it from here. I have already downloaded, so I'm not gonna download it again. After downloading, open that folder. Extract it by pressing on extract to AVG license file. After that, open the folder. It will show two files like this. Copy it. Now go to local disk C. Press on view. Then press on options. Now on that, go to view. Now tick on show hidden files and folders. I have already ticked it. Then press on apply and then OK. Now go to program data. Then AVG folder. And then subscriptions and paste that files there. Click on replace file on this location. Press continue whenever it comes. And then close the file and again go to AVG antivirus and enable the self-defense. Then close it and restart your PC. After restarting, go to menu, then subscription. It will show subscribed till 2070, and some of their application will be also subscribed like AVG TuneUp, AVG VPN, etc. Hope you guys liked this video, so please consider subscribing. It will mean a lot for me, and I will come with another video soon. Bye bye.